So I would like to make this video for those who owns a Charles Daly 601. So I disassembled mine. It arrived yesterday, but I want to clean the inside because as you see there's some dirt and oil. Well, I put some oil in the action or in the bolt or in the receiver, that's why it's like this. But after I wipe it out, it's good because it took away some of this dust or dirt. The one thing that's so challenging is to remove the handle. That's the bolt handle. It says pull it outward, and you see it's easier to do it if you knew the shape of the part that you're removing. So if you look at this handle, it's actually shaped like this. So this part here, this half circle notch, there's actually like a it's like a ball bearing in there that moves in and out. So that's the only thing that holds your bolt from being pulled out. So I hope you can see it. It's so hard to film with just one hand, but you see this moves this moves in and out there. So actually the bolt goes like that, and it will get stuck when it reaches that circle. So it's like this. Yeah, it's so hard. Like, anyway, so that's why you have to wiggle it and pull it at the same time, so that the this part here, the hump here, will push the bearing in. Now this part here, this one, that's the one that you have to align with this one, the nuts here, so that it can pass, because then it will bump on this side, right? So this hump, I mean this space in the middle, that will be where you will align this one. So because it goes like that, right? It goes like that. Yeah, so this one, the top one, will go straight here. It's like that because this sits in the top, right? So here you can see this opening in the top should be aligned with the middle of that space there, because your bolt will sit like that. I hope I can put it there. It clicks, right? So pulling this, all you need to do is wiggle it. I'll see. So all you need to do is hold this and wiggle it, like, and pull it at the same time. It's really hard because it's new, but the best thing that you're gonna do is to put something like that so that you can there. But then you have to take care of your ejection port, that it won't get scratched. But maybe after a while I'll lubricate that one there. After a while this will be easy to remove. This is just still so angled, that's why it holds the there you go. Also, you see, it can even go far as that, but then the bearing is not fit on that space, right? So it should be like that. So you have to keep on pulling. Oh, there, it's starting to get easy. I can do it with one hand now. Maybe it's yeah, difficult when it's still in the chamber or in the assembly, but we'll get used to it, eh? So this is like that. It sits on top here. Align this middle, like that notch there, with the top of this handle, so it can go straight. And yeah, all you have to do is just to push it in, right? And then, so if you're disassembling and you see that this is moving or like doing like that, don't be scared, because it's really like that. It's floating. The only thing that holds it in place is the handle. Now that part there that moves is actually part of this one, so it moves up and down, so no problem if it wiggles. So this is the bolt assembly or something. Yeah, so good luck cleaning your Charles Daly, because it's, yeah, you can see my hand, it's all black. Well, it's usually like that if it just came from the manufacturer, because you know, it's not totally lubricated, or they just want it that way, but you have to clean it. So yeah, that's it.